It was a simple text, turned into long days, long nights, swapping old wounds, soft jokes, talking like we met in past lives, sharing our secrets like we were lovers already. Every good night, sleep tight, started feeling so heavy. I tell you every small thing, what I ate, what I dreamed, what I'm scared of. You hold it like it's something rare, and it just keeps pulling me there. But how can I tell you that I've fallen for you? You are my now, my tomorrow, my always. You're quite a little smile, keeps stealing all my days. Your humbleness and charm has locked me in your arms, in your gaze. How can I tell you that I've fallen for you? You say you're nothing special, then you live my whole mood in one line. Ask if I made it home safe, like my safety's tied up with your mind. I keep trying to play it cool, laugh it off, change the view, hit erase, but the beautiful person you are keeps pulling me back to your space. But how can I tell you that I've fallen for you? You are my now, my tomorrow, my always. Your quiet little smile keeps stealing all my days. Your humbleness and charm has locked me in your arms, in your gaze. How can I tell you that I've fallen for you? There's no stopping it, no ending it. We just go on and on. Every message, every moment makes the feeling twice as strong. If I whisper it, would you tell me back, or would you say you feel it too? I'm standing at this fragile line between scared or loving you. So how can I tell you that I've fallen for you? You are my now, my tomorrow, my always. You're quiet.